Well, there we go. Breakfast time. Breakfast time in the old truck. The trucker's life. Yeehaw! We got some potatoes, some onions, and green peppers. The only bad thing about this is you always got to have the truck running because inverter, otherwise it'll kill the battery. Which goes to show, really, how much electricity a house uses, But yeah, I mean, this is a regular frying pan that a house would use, so it uses a lot of electricity. And then I'm watching Gumby. Anybody remember Gumby from the 60s? Here, let me put the volume on.
Well, it looked easy. That
Gumby.
kid doesn't look too friendly, Gumby.
You haven't got a...
Anyways, I'm gonna have some eggs, and then I just stopped at the store, got some thick cut bacon. I like the thick cut. That thin cut stuff is terrible. Anyways, and then I'm gonna have some cinnamon raisin English muffins. Cinnamon raisin English muffins. Now, why people say, do you want to sit there and cook your own breakfast? I just dropped some little guy on the ground. Why do you want to cook your own breakfast? First of all, I know what it is. These potatoes, they're not freeze-dried. Damn, another one. I know what they are. I know where they come from. So, thank you very much, but that's what I'm doing. Okay? So, and then I got a little container so I can put some stuff in the refrigerator because I didn't have a container for some stuff, Anyways, that's what I'm going to do. Have a good breakfast. Good, healthy breakfast. Ciao. Trucker's life.